It is November 17th here. I did this for a exchange for a dental bill. A couple other works in progress as well of fowl imagery, most fowl. This one is called, titled on the bottom, The Bird and Birth of Tooth. Although I was just thinking maybe it should have been The Birth of Bird and Tooth. But it is what it is. And it is light and lively. Suitable, naturally, for dental patients and staff. It's interesting. I did it because for a space in the dental office with a vertical wall area, like a panel. But I point this out to the dentist when the dentist visits. I like it horizontally as well. Anyway, there you have it. Let's see what it looks like upside down. It works, gosh, it works every which way. That's the thing about birds and flying. That's really cool like that. Upside down. Why not? It's a great thing about birds. They can go any which direction. Even can see, two directions, the eyes on two different sides of the head. It's pretty remarkable. And most fowl